Hello world! So this is Ben here. I was looking for an idea for doing a tutorial for the D2Soft game engine, and I have this old book called PC Game Programming Explorer from David Roberts. And there's a little game that he built inside the book that is called Alien Alley. And I thought, well, this is really a nice way to do a small demo for the engine. It's a simple shooter, space shooter. So you control the spaceship, and you just shoot a few aliens. It's very simple. Also in the book, there's not really much. There's no levels, but it's really just to get started with game programming. I really enjoyed this book. Of course, this is an old book from 1994, so it's for DOS programming, and there's a lot of content about programming the graphics, the audio, and also the main target is to build the Alien Alley game at the end of the book. Back in time, I really enjoyed this book. I remember I wanted to build something out of it. I never actually did, but it's one of my favorite game programming DOS book. And so I thought, well, let's go and do this tutorial based on the demo here. So I contacted Dave, and it was very kind to agree on the process. And well, I spent a little bit of time and built that in the engine. And what's really cool about the book is that it came with the source code for the DOS version of the game here, and it's in a floppy disk at the end of the book. So let me show you here what the end result is. So now we're in the D2Soft engine. So it's a HTML5 engine where it's possible to build simple game and applications using basic like scripting language. I'll show a little bit more about that at the end, but let's start by showing what the game looks like. All right, so you got the idea. It's simple, but it's kind of very interesting already, just in the way it is now. There's a lot of improvement possible, but this is really just a start to build the kind of mini game. And the source code will be available soon in the documentation. I'll publish a new video once this is done with a more complete overview of the game itself and the source code. If you're interested in knowing more about this project, subscribe to the channel, like the video as well. We're really at the beginning of this project. It's called the D2Soft Engine. If you're interested, go to d2soft.com. You'll find also in you'll find here in the menu some information, and already it's available, but it's still in the beginning. You will see that it's possible to write. The programming is based on the basic like scripting language. It's simple. All the assets are built into the engine, so it makes really the coding geared toward beginners as well as advanced programmers that wants to really go fast in prototyping. So it's really interesting for that. If you have some good knowledge of programming, you can already do quite complex programs with that. And there will be more information coming soon. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're interested. Thank you for watching. See you soon.